Hello friend, this is a new finished 300 liters model planetary mixer for client. And for this video, I would like to make a simple test for the vacuum function of this new finished mixer. Okay, now this is a mixer and this is a cabinet. On the top we can see the vacuum pump, and the yellow one is a buffer tank with pipes connected the vacuum pump and the mixing chamber by pumps. This is a vacuum meter. Before the vacuum started, we must keep this valve opened and keep this vacuum release valve closed. And now everything is ready. I would like to open the vacuum pump. Okay. Vacuum pump on, pump off. Let's focus on the vacuum meter. We can see the vacuum degree is increasing. It will need some time. Let's keep patient. Because now the chamber is empty. Once filled with some material during the actual work situation, the speed will be faster. The speed is some slow because the chamber now empty. Our designed vacuum degree is 0.09. Okay, we can see now it has reached the designed vacuum degree 0.09. And now I would stop the vacuum pump. Okay. And close the valve here. Let's check the vacuum degree performance. No change. No leakage voice. Let's take a run to check it. No leakage, no change. So this is a good performance for the vacuum system. And then I would like to release the vacuum. Open the vacuum release valve. I have released it. So this is a simple test for the vacuum performance of the new finished 300 liters model planetary mixer. It is a good one. Thanks for watching.